friends, in this video let us take a look at this question. So let us read the question. So it says that the moment of inertia of an elliptical disk of uniform mass distribution of mass m, semi-major axis r and semi-minor axis d about its axis perpendicular to the disk and passing through the center is. Okay, so what we need to do is we have been given, so in the question, okay, this one, okay, is an elliptical disc, and they have given that the major axis, the semi-major axis is r. Okay, so that means this is r. And what else they are saying? And they are saying semi-minor axis is d. So this part is d. Okay. Then what they are saying is that we have to find out, okay, the moment of inertia along an axis which is perpendicular to the disk, and that axis is passing through the center of mass also, center of the disk also, right? So now what we know that if we know a circular disk, okay, for a circular disk we know that, okay, if any axis is there, okay, and it is passing through the center and it is perpendicular to the disk, okay, so for that axis the moment of inertia, okay, is given as m into r square by 2. Now in this case the disk is not circular, okay, it is elliptical disk. So if I have to find out the moment of inertia, okay, so if I look at the options, okay, let me see what options I can eliminate, okay, and what can be a possible answer. So first they are saying it is equal to mr square by 2. Can it be possible? No, it cannot be possible, because mr square by 2 we just saw happens for a circular disk, right, where r is equal to this. This is r and this is also r, okay. Then a circle is formed, okay, then you have mr square by 2. So in the elliptical disk case, okay, you don't have this whole, if it was r like this, okay, something like this, it would have been circular like this, okay, so of course the mass, okay, would have been more, okay, and everything would have been more, okay, if it was a circular disk. In this case it would have been mr square by 2, but in our case the disk is smaller, okay, it is evident that the disk is not circular, it is smaller, okay. So definitely it is not equal to mr square by 2. Will it be equal to md square by 2? So md square by 2 will happen when we have a small circle, okay, which is the radius is d. So in this case, okay, I will be md square by 2, right? But in this case, okay, this small circle, okay, that we are talking about, okay, will be basically smaller than this elliptical disc, okay. It will basically come inside the elliptical disc only. So definitely it's a smaller disc, right? So moment of inertia, okay, will not be equal to md square by 2. It has to be more than md square by 2, because the remaining part of the disk, okay, will also give, right, some moment of inertia. So this is also not correct. The third option is it is greater than mr square by 2. That is not possible, right? How can it be greater? We have already decided it is, of course, it has to be less than mr square by 2. So in the D option, you see, we get the answer that it is smaller than mr square by 2. So of course it is smaller than mr square by 2, because mr square by 2 will give a big circle, right, which is bigger than the disk, elliptical disk that is given in the question. So it is smaller than mr square by 2 and it is greater than md square by 2. So answer D, okay, seems to be the correct in this case, okay. So that's our answer. Thanks for watching.